Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold gained on Friday after US inflation data came in line with expectations, reinforcing bets that the Federal Reserve may continue with interest rate cuts later this year. US gold futures for December delivery settled 1% higher. The dollar fell, but was still notched a second straight week of gains against major peers on Friday after data continued to show US economic resilience, potentially complicating the Federal Reserve's efforts to cut interest rates. Crude oil flowed on Saturday through a pipeline from the semi-autonomous Kurdistan region in northern Iraq to Turkey for the first time in 2.5 years, after an interim deal broke a deadlock, Iraq's oil ministry said.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.